Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of past perfect tense. Well, the pattern of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past participle or verb 3. And we use past perfect tense to express an action or an activity which took place in the past before another past action. I had gone, you had gone, he had gone, she had gone, it had gone, we had gone, they had gone. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Alright, are you ready? Well, he often does this. After I had had lunch in a village inn, I looked for my bag. I had left it on a chair near a window, but it wasn't there now. As I was looking for it, the innkeeper came in. Did you have a good meal? He asked. Yes, thank you, I said, but I can't pay the bill. I haven't got my bag. The innkeeper smiled and immediately went out. A few minutes later, he returned with my bag and gave it back to me. I'm very sorry, he said. My dog had taken it into the garden. He often does this. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence, and you should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Alright. He often does this. After I had had lunch in a village inn, I looked for my bag. I had left it on a chair near a window, but now it wasn't there. As I was looking for it, the innkeeper came in. Did you have a good meal? He asked. Yes, I said. But I can't pay the bag. But I can't pay the bill. I haven't got my bag. The innkeeper smiled and immediately went out. A few minutes later, he returned with my bag and gave it back to me. I'm very sorry, he said. My dog had taken it into the garden. He often does this. Well, now please answer my questions. Had you had lunch in a village inn? Could you pay the bill? Have you got your bag? What did the innkeeper say to you? Who had taken it in the garden? Does he often do it? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.